A review of a celebration. Let's see what the rubric asks for. You need to write a review of a celebration for an international magazine for teens. In your review, you need to write where and when the celebration takes place, mention how long it lasts, describe some activities, events you attended, and give reasons why it is special to attend. You need to write 80 to 100 words.
Last February, I attended the Jaisalmer Desert Festival in India, and it was amazing. This celebration of Indian culture lasts 3 days and takes place in the Thar Desert, where you can stay in luxury tents. Everyone wore colourful clothes to the festival, and there was traditional music and even fire dances. The best part for me was the camel race. It was exciting to watch the camels racing across the desert. I even had the chance to ride one myself. Overall, the Jaisalmer Desert Festival is a great way to learn about Indian culture in the beautiful desert. I had a wonderful time, and I highly recommend it to others.
Let's see how we can write a review of a celebration we have attended. In the first paragraph, we write the name of the celebration, when it takes place, where it takes place, and how long it lasts. In the second paragraph, we describe some activities, events we attended. In the last paragraph, we give reasons why it is special to attend and give our recommendation. When we write reviews of an event we attended, we normally use past tenses to describe our experiences. We use present tenses to talk about general truths about the event. We can use adjectives to make our review more interesting to the reader. Let's see what adjectives the writer used to describe the celebration. Now you know how to write a review of a celebration you attended.